Zara, I was painfully shy about speaking English. How did you overcome it?
By accepting that shyness doesn't disappear, but you can speak English despite it.
Today, we're sharing strategies specifically for shy, introverted English learners.
First, let's acknowledge, being shy is okay. You don't need to become extroverted.
Many successful English speakers are shy or introverted.
The goal isn't personality change, it's building speaking confidence within your personality.
Strategy 1. Start with written communication before speaking.
Shy people often feel more comfortable writing than speaking.
Text chat, email exchange, social media comments. Start here.
You can think before responding. Edit your words, take your time.
This builds language confidence without real-time speaking pressure.
Strategy 2. Practice alone extensively before talking to others.
Talk to yourself, record yourself, practice conversations with imaginary people.
Shy people need more solo practice to feel prepared.
There's no pressure, no judgment, no time constraint. Perfect for building foundation.
Strategy 3. Start with one-on-one conversations, not groups.
Group conversations are overwhelming for shy people.
One-on-one is manageable. You have time to think, less pressure to compete for speaking time.
Find one patient language partner and practice with just them initially.
Strategy 4. Use structured conversations with topics prepared.
Freeform conversation is scary. Having discussion topics ready reduces anxiety.
Today, let's discuss our favorite books. Now you can prepare what to say.
Structure gives you confidence because you're not completely improvising.
Strategy 5. Acknowledge your shyness to conversation partners.
Say up front, I'm shy and learning English, so I might pause or need time to think.
Most people respond with patience and encouragement.
Naming your challenge removes the pressure to hide it.
Strategy 6. Set tiny, achievable speaking goals.
Not have a 30-minute conversation. Start with speak English for 2 minutes today.
Tiny wins build confidence gradually.
Celebrate each small victory. Spoke for 2 minutes, that's progress.
Strategy 7. Online practice before in person.
Online interaction feels less intense than face-to-face for shy people.
You can turn off your camera if needed. You're in your safe space. You can disconnect if overwhelmed.
Build confidence online first, then gradually move to in-person when ready.
Strategy 8. Focus on listening and responding, not leading conversation.
Shy people are often good listeners. Use that strength.
Ask questions. Show interest. Respond thoughtfully. You don't need to dominate conversation.
Being a good conversational partner doesn't require being the most talkative.
Now let's address shy person-specific fears.
Fear 1. People will judge my mistakes.
Most people admire anyone learning a second language. They're focused on understanding you, not judging you.
And if someone does judge, that says more about them than you.
Fear 2. My mind goes blank when speaking.
This happens to everyone, not just shy people. Keep go-to phrases ready.
Let me think about that. That's an interesting question. Can you rephrase?
These buy you thinking time without awkward silence.
Fear 3. I'll embarrass myself.
Define embarrassment. Making language mistakes? That's normal, not embarrassing.
Everyone makes mistakes. If you embarrass yourself, you'll survive and learn.
Fear 4. I can't think of things to say.
Prepare topics you're comfortable discussing. Your hobbies, your city, your work.
You don't need to discuss politics or philosophy if you're not comfortable.
Let's share our shy person journeys.
Zara, I started with text chat on language apps, months of writing before I spoke.
Did writing first help your speaking?
Absolutely. I built vocabulary and confidence without speaking pressure.
I practiced alone for 30 minutes daily for 3 months before talking to anyone.
That's dedication. Did it work?
By the time I had my first conversation, I was prepared enough to feel comfortable.
Now let's give a confidence-building timeline for shy learners.
Month 1, written English only. Chat apps, email exchange, social media comments.
Month 2, add solo speaking practice. Record yourself, talk to yourself, narrate activities.
Month 3, First, conversations with one trusted language partner. Start with 10-minute sessions.
Month 4, increase conversation frequency and length gradually.
Month 5, try small group conversations with 2 or 3 people.
Month 6, you're now comfortable speaking English despite being shy.
This gradual approach respects your personality while building skills.
Let's discuss self-care for shy English learners.
After speaking practice, you might feel drained. That's normal for introverts.
Schedule recovery time after conversations. You need to recharge.
Don't force yourself to practice when you're exhausted. Quality over quantity.
Some days, stick to reading or listening. You don't need to speak every day.
Sustainable practice beats forced intensity.
Final encouragement for shy learners.
Some of the best English speakers we know are shy, introverted people.
Being quiet doesn't mean being bad at English.
You can be fluent and still prefer listening to talking. That's okay.
Your path to fluency might be slower and more gradual, but it's just as valid.
All right, shy learners, choose one strategy from our list to try this week.
Start small, be patient with yourself, celebrate tiny wins.
Comment which strategy resonates with you.
See you in the next video.
Shy people can master English too.